The first problem is that for the first time in history, we are considering a nominee for a stolen Supreme Court seat. And that alone should be reason for everyone who cares about this institution to turn down this nominee and to convey to the President that the only legitimate nominee for this open seat is Merrick Garland, because as a Senate, we have a stake in the legitimacy of our work and that of the court. And to confirm anyone but Merrick Garland to this seat confirms the Senate as the thief who took the seat for the first time in U.S. history and transported to another president in an effort to pack the court. And furthermore, if there is a person confirmed to this seat other than Merrick Garland, it casts a shadow over every 5-4 decision that individual participates in the years to come. It destroys the public credibility of the position. It makes the Supreme Court simply into a political body to which clever campaign tactics have delivered a majority for one ideological vision over another. Let us not enter into that position of destroying the credibility of the Senate process and the integrity of the court in one fell swoop. And second of all, we should not be considering a nominee from a president who is under investigation for conspiring with Russia to change the outcome of an election. Now, we don't know where those investigations will lead, but what we do know is this places a big cloud over the legitimacy of him holding the office. Let us clear up that cloud. Let us answer the questions that have been raised.
Listening to these hard-left special interests may seem like the politically expedient thing for Democrats to do for their party today, but I'd ask them to make their decision based on what they know is right for the country tomorrow. There's still time for them to make the right choice. There's still time for them to support a nominee who even longtime Democrats have praised, or at the very least, to not block him with the first successful partisan filibuster in American history. So I hope Democrats reevaluate their position before the important vote we'll take tomorrow. I hope they'll consider what their actions would mean for future Supreme Court confirmations. I hope they'll consider what their actions could mean for the future of this body more broadly. Because, as we all know, the American people will be watching. History will record the decision Democrats make, and there's simply no principled reason to oppose this exceptional Supreme Court nominee.